Hi, in this video, I will show you how to export and import PST files in Outlook on Windows. First, open the Outlook program. For you to go where it says File, then click where it says Open Export. Select here. Then let's start with exporting a file. Click where it says Export to a file. Click on Next. Then you have to select Outlook data file PST. Then click Next. Here, you have to export where you're exporting from. So you can say my inbox. Then next, you can choose the folder you have to export to. So choose the folder and say OK, and then finish. And let's say you want to import a PST file. Go on File, Open Export, click, then select here Import from another program or file. Click Next. Then you have to select here, PST, next, and then here select the folder you want to import from, okay? Then you select the folder, click on Open, and then you click on Next, and you're done.